You are going to love the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.